Imagine that you could actually talk to your website, design everything just by either talking or typing. No more WordPress, no more hacking, no more bad stuff. Just the fastest way to build a website exactly like you want it. Click the subscribe button and follow this. Hey, and welcome back to episode 3. This is the founder's journey to 1 million ARR. Since last time, nothing new has happened. The numbers are steady. No churn, no new subscribers. But I've actually taken a little break from doing the marketing because what I really want is to have a super fast website. It's my idea that if you have something that can score a perfect 100 in Google PageSpeed Insights, then you will have a greater performance on the website in general, SEO-wise, and your customers will get a better experience. So that was basically what I set out to do. And first, I just hard-coded this as a static HTML. But then I thought the things that I want to do is to use Claude or ChatGPT or Perplexity or whatever interface that people normally use, and then just like chat to my CMS system. And I'm sick and tired of WordPress. It's slow. It requires 10, 20 plugins before you get what you kind of want. All the themes are basically the same. If you are looking to do something specific, then you have to either hard code it or pay someone to do it or settle for something else. So what I did is I built something called FastSite. It's open source. That's just me. I know it's not the way to actually reach 1 million, but that's just who I am. I think that software like this should be free. Maybe there will be a cloud version for those that don't want to self-host it. But for now, it's open source only. So basically what you do is you chat with your website. So using Claude or ChatGPT, you can say, build me a new website. Change this menu to this, move this item 5 pixels to the left, do shadowing, you do glass morphism, change it to a Christmas theme or whatever you want. And that's kind of what I want to show you today. I know it's not quite the founder's route to 1 million, but hey, it's my route to 1 million. This is FastSite. You can create the sites in here. And of course, FastSite is built on FastSite. And it is basically a small UI where you can see pages and posts. You have media files, regular files, components, and you have settings. This is the theme files, and you can edit those if you want to do it all manually. Basically, you can do a lot of things manually, but the key feature is when you use it in Claude or ChatGPT, and I will show you that in a second. Okay, so we are back here, and then as you could see before, we had like, I think it was 5 different sites. So now we can just say, I want to create a new site for a, let me see, hairdresser, hair salon. Use the get fast site. It should have 3 menus, including booking, styles, and let's say what should be about. So while it seems to take a long time, it's just because it's actually creating first the shell, the theme, and then after that it will create one page at a time with the content that you have chosen. So when you do changes or edits or adding a new page or a new post, then it will be significantly faster than that. But yeah, let's switch over and see what it's actually done. So now we are back in FastSite. As you can see here, the Hair Studio is done. And if we just click on content, we can see that it's created a homepage, an about, a booking, and a styles. Media files, it created some images, a hero image, and some hairstyles. No files, no components. And under settings, you can decide if you want to use like a Git repo and a CDN, so you publish it directly to Cloudflare. That way you can avoid having a hosting at all, or you can just use this server directly. And you can set all kinds of stuff. But down here, if you want to go live, then you can get help from Cloudflare. Simply click how do I create this API token, follow these step-by-step guides, and when you're done, you just click the Cloudflare or set up Cloudflare Pages, and then it's going to do that. If you want auto translation, you can select which languages that you want, and then I can show you that in the official site afterwards. You can insert reusable components, header footer scripts like what is Google Tag Manager or something like that. You can do redirects. Content has normal SEO, so you have SEO title and SEO description. And the good part about this is that you can actually just change what it is that you want. This is a very simple page. Let's take the home page. Okay, that was the home page. Let's take something else. Pages here, and let's say styles. So what you see online is actually what's in here. And then you can just change things, or you can have the source. So when you scroll here, you scroll over there. So if you select here, you can see, okay, so I'm here, so I know exactly what I'm changing. Then you can set it as draft, published, scheduled, or archived, and when you want it to go live. Once you save something, you can click on preview, and then it will rebuild the preview, and then you will get the new website. And this is what Claude has built in around 7 minutes. I have the booking page and the styles page, short hair, color, long hair, treatments, about, and then none of this is final because you can change it however you want. So let's go back to Claude. So I just asked it to change it into a Christmas holiday theme, so I'm ready for the holiday. So now it's just orchestrating. So now we are back with the December holiday look, and as you can see, it's changed the images. It added a top bar and something under styles. You can see the images there as well. And the more specific you are, the more changes that you can do exactly like you want it. It can be make this button green, or set these colors, or change the theme to something completely different. It's basically only stopped by your ability to be creative. So I hope this has maybe piqued your interest in actually chatting with your CMS system. I know that I'm using it already, and I want to show you that because getfastsite.com is built in this, and this is the language that I was talking about. So every time something is translated automatically, then you simply just get the new version in here, and it's just done like that. So let's see, we have it here, and if we say settings, oh, not for that one, that should be FastSite and settings. And we can see here, these are the languages, the locals, and what is translated and what is not, which is the primary language, and then everything else is working without any issues. And that's the whole point of this. And of course, you want to see if it actually has what's it called, Google PageSpeed Insights. Let's take that one and then say https getfastsite.com. And this is running on Cloudflare, so no hosting. And everything is done so once you're done and you say publish, it generates static files so you can't get hacked. You don't have to update any plugins or your theme. And as you can see, you get a perfect 100 score. So basically, you can't do anything faster than this. So my claim is that this is the fastest CMS in the world, and you can use it to whatever you want because it's free. So go do that. And if you like it, give me thumbs up